Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. So as you can see, this video is an old video. I filmed this a few months ago. So I started by applying my Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate my nail. Next, I applied 3 layers of clear dip powder to build the nail. I applied base to 3/4 of the nail, and then I dipped into the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then dipped into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nail and also to protect my natural nail from the color. This is also an optional step. So these are the dip powders I'll be using today. The ones at the bottom are Revel nail dip powders. Big Daddy Bailey is from the brand Angel Rose Dips. Tangerine is from the brand Layla, and I have a 10% discount code for this company. And then we have Modelones acrylic powder. I also have a discount code for this company. It will be listed below. I applied tape off camera. Now I applied base in the center of the nail, and then I did my 3-color ombre. So I'm using Revel Nail Rhythm, Angel Rose, Big Daddy Bailey, and Revel Nail Lola. So I'm doing my usual tap method ombre. I did 3 layers of that. I'm also using 3 different ombre brushes to do this design. Then I removed the tape and did about 2 more layers of the ombre off camera. Now I placed activator on the nail, waited for it to harden, then filed to get a straighter line. Then I encapsulated the ombre with clear dip powder. This is to build the nail and to build the structure of the nail. So presently I do things a lot differently. Now I would encapsulate the middle area with the clear dip powder after doing my 4 or 5 layers of the purple ombre. This would build the structure of the nail so that we could get a straight line between each color block ombre. Then I would have applied activator and then filed. So I was learning when I did this, so I would excuse myself for wasting a lot of time because this isn't it, Cheryl. This isn't it. When I was finished encapsulating, I applied some activator again, then I filed the nail off camera. Now on the left side, I'm using 3 shades of pink to do my ombre. On the first and second layer, the dip powders didn't stick to the nail. That tends to happen since activator was on the nail, but don't give up, eventually it will stick. So I'll let you guys watch and I'll be back shortly. Well, I was wrong because the damn thing did not stick. The nail was looking horrible. Well, at least the pink area was looking horrible. It looks horrible, but I went on to do the orange ombre. Okay, so I really didn't like the pink area now that I finished the nail, so I filed that area off with my Melody Susie nail drill. Then I decided to use Kiara Sky Grapefruit instead of Revel Nail Ballet. I think it was too light for this design, I don't know. So I'll show 2 layers, but I did a few more off camera. Now it looks much better. Next, I encapsulated the nail with a few layers of clear dip powder. This is to protect the ombre when filing and to build the nail. Then I applied activator to the nail and waited for it to harden so that I can file the nail. This is after filing of the nail. Now I apply some Modelones gel top coat to the nail and cure it for 30 seconds. Then I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nail, and this is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think of my ombre color block nail design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!